Don't.
Yeah, I got it. Go, Rylie.
Whoa.
Careful. Oh, no. There. You've got it, Rylie.
Really?
Here it comes.
Bring it over there by the water.
Bring it over here. Here comes Rylie's fish. Okay. Bring it up on the floor. Bring it up on the shore. Bring it up on the shore. Yay! Rylie caught a fish. Oh, don't hit me with it. Hold the string right here. Hold the string like this. Show me your fish. Look at me. Yay! What's you gonna name your fish? Lunch. Oh no!
No.
Grab it, Rylie. Is it? Don't hit it, Rylie. Babe! Babe! It's gonna fall out of her hand. She's trying to play with the fish bowl. Stop, Rylie, stop.
Stop.
Don't hit it. I don't think it's connected anymore.
I need to wash my hands.
Wait, Dad, bring it over here. Okay. Yay, Rylie got a fish. First fish of the weekend. How's it doing, Dad? It got dirt all in its eye. Let's see, how is it?